G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today I'm on site at Betty's Backyard Bunker with Jody.
Hi, I'm Jody from Betty's Backyard Bunker.
What are we making today, Jody?
Today we're going to make a classic margarita.
This recipe calls for tequila
Triple sec.
and of course fresh lime. Into a shaker, add ice. Add 15 mils of triple sec.
And now we add 15 mils of fresh lime juice. And shake it.
And garnish with a wheel of lime. Not bad. For how much are these going for, Jody?
$10, cheapest on the coast.
$10. Betty's Backyard Bunker in Wyoming.
Cheers.
Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.